The Appellate Division, First Department, is now in session. Good morning. Welcome to the Appellate Division's virtual admissions ceremony. Ms. Guerrero, please proceed.
May it please the court, and good morning. I, Veronica Guerrero, counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness, am honored this morning to present 25 applicants to the court for admission to the bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each applicant appearing here today. Accordingly, and on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant appearing here this morning does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York, and therefore I do hereby move for their admission.
Thank you. Ms. Guerrero, in advance of today's ceremony, my colleagues and I have considered this very important motion to admit these candidates to the bar, and they've authorized me to grant the motion.
Thank you.
As always, Ms. Guerrero, I ask that you please extend the sincerest thanks of the court to the members of the Committee on Character and Fitness for continuing to make great efforts, particularly under these extraordinary circumstances, to ensure that each of the candidates before us do indeed meet the important requirements for admission to the bar of the state of New York. These committee members work pro bono without compensation, and my colleagues and I truly appreciate their service in helping to keep the admissions process functioning. Thank you.
I will let them know. Thank you.
Thank you. The clerk of the court, Susana Rojas, will now administer the oath of office.
Good afternoon. Good morning, Justice Renwick. Good morning, candidates. At this point, I will ask everyone to please unmute your microphones and raise your right hand. I will recite the oath of office and the should respond saying I do. I swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and faithfully discharge the duties of the office of attorney and counselor at law to the best of your ability. Please respond by saying I do.
I do.
Okay. Congratulations, attorneys. Please mute your microphones.
On behalf of all of my colleagues on the Appellate Division First Department, it is my great pleasure to welcome you, new attorneys, no longer candidates, to the bar of the state of New York. Congratulations to all of you on the completion of this long, demanding journey. And of course, congratulations as well to your parents, spouses, significant others, and all whom you care about, who undoubtedly helped make this occasion possible. Of course, usually for this ceremony, we would all be surrounded by the beauty of our courtroom. The reality of these extraordinary times is that we too are still in our homes, graced only by a photograph of the court. But we do hope that sometime in the future, you will have the opportunity to visit our majestic courtroom in its landmarked building. Perhaps your visit will be as a litigator. This virtual ceremony certainly underscores that you are joining the profession at an extraordinary time. While I am sure that you are proud and excited about your accomplishments, I imagine that you may also be concerned about the uncertainty of the immediate future. By now, we've made many adjustments to adapt to the new virtual legal world. You may be working remotely or trying to figure out how to gain employment under these circumstances. Some of you may be in the office, or others contending with the health or economic concerns of your own family and friends. These are not easy times in any regard, but we are all adjusting and readjusting to our virtual legal world at the same time. I have 3 pieces of advice which you may already follow, but which I think bear mentioning nonetheless. The first was given by President Obama at a graduation in June. It is, don't be afraid. Historically, the law has been the conduit of change, and lawyers have been at the forefront of our society, driving that change. Think of Thurgood Marshall, Jack Greenberg, Robert Carter, just a few of the lawyers who were on the legal team for the case of Brown versus Board of Education. That case not only declared segregated education unconstitutional, but practically speaking, it opened the door to a better, more diverse America, as opportunity comes only through proper education. Think of our recently deceased United States Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, who worked tirelessly for women to gain rights equal to men. Like our society, the law and the circumstances under which we practice have undergone change and will continue to do so. Then, as now, lawyers will continue to be at the forefront and legal opportunity will continue and improve. Second, persevere. You've endured law school, the bar exam, and are now attorneys. You've earned the privilege to practice law, and with confidence and a strong ethical and moral compass, it is a privilege that can help you face the challenges of today and the future that life will put before you. Which brings me to my final and most important piece of advice, perhaps: don't go it alone. There is support as you navigate these uncharted waters in the next several months. Use it. Rely on the resources, counselors, and alumni of your law school or the guidance of a professor, senior attorney, or a mentor. Join a bar association like the Bronx County Bar Association, New York County Lawyers, or the City Bar in order to be mentored, to connect with a network of lawyers, or as a place to seek assistance if work or life issues become overwhelming. Bar associations can also be particularly helpful now in navigating some of the new rules of virtual practice. You are our future lawyers and leaders. Your generation will be shaped by this experience, but you are probably better equipped than any other to deal with these virtual challenges. You will in turn likely play a pivotal role in shaping and determining how we provide legal services in this new environment and beyond. In this time of loss, uncertainty, concern, and social unrest, I want to leave you with other inspiring words of President Barack Obama. It's about hope. Hope is that thing inside us that insists, despite all evidence to the contrary, that something better awaits us if we have the courage to reach for it and work for it and fight for it. I hope your imagination and energy allow you long and fulfilling careers and help you to overcome the challenges you may face along the way. Good luck. Congratulations. This admission ceremony is now concluded. Court is adjourned.